All right, everybody. It is week 10, day 1. All right, so let's take a look at this one. If you need something, like we're going to read it like William Shatner. If you need something to do this summer, think about help a community. This is a hot mess, man. A hot mess. Okay, Fee, go ahead. Yeah, now let's reread it again. So we're gonna fix that. HELPING. All right, if you need something to do this summer, think about helping the community. Uh, Shelby, help me out here. So watch how I fix this. Watch my editing mark, okay? You ready? You're going to do this. An arrow here and an arrow there, and that tells anybody you're editing for to do what? To join that, to make that one word. If you need something to do this summer, comma, think about helping the community. There's one more. What? There's one more thing to do here, Blake. No. Need's still good. Need's still good. Need is good. You think about like kneading dough, but that would be KN something whatnot. Ready? All right, Shelby. I'm gonna give you the spelling error. What is it? Spell it. Yeah. Is that good? All right. So there we go. Let's read. So what do? We read. We edit, and then we do what? Right? Right? Read, edit, and write. Okay. So now, did we write, Blake? Did we edit and then write it out as neatly as possible? I will be collecting this on Friday as part of your homework grade. Again, this will be the first grade for your second 9 weeks. Remember what I said? For the second 9 weeks, I'll collect these every Friday now. Right? Every 9 weeks gets a little bit harder, right? All right, so take a look. Her. I'm going to read it one more time. If you need something to do this summer, think about helping the community. The community. What about maybe we should do instead of the, not our, but screen bits warning. What was that all warning me about? If you need something to do this summer, think about helping your community. I like that better. We're gonna keep that. All right, here we go. You ready? You could pick up trash on the beach or mow lawns in your neighborhood. Man, I don't see it. You could pick up trash on the beach. Oh wait, I think I see a spelling error. Shelby, what do you got? Or Cooper, go ahead. Yes. You are right. You could pick up trash on the beach, comma, or mow lawns in your neighborhood. Yeah. Go ahead. Give me the spelling for neighborhood. So it's going to be Neiga. This is a problem. Oh, I don't know why it's happening. Let me check my screen bit. I just want to check it. Oh, it's still going. Okay. I think I'm bumping something. All right, you got it? Are we good? Anything else? The sub in the room, did I spell neighborhood right? Yeah. She didn't hear me. We're on a screen. What, Hoop? What's up? Let's take a look. I think you're right. You could pick up trash on the beach. You know what? I kept reading. I kept saying your, didn't I? Or mow lawns. I kept saying your. See, I'm telling you. Now, look. Why is it important to hand your writing when you're the author, when you're doing a piece of writing? Why is it important to hand your writing over to someone? Because your eyes are going to do what mine did. I kept reading it, lawns in your neighborhood, except it doesn't say your, does it? It says you. Yes, we need to switch that to your neighborhood. Hooper, you're on fire today. So we read, check, multiple times. We edited, check, and now we're going to write it. Small and accurate, right? Mm-hmm. Write the correct form of the date. Oh, boy. Come on, you guys. Let's do process of elimination. And I want Ryan Turner to go up. I want you to eliminate the first one. Go ahead, Ryan. Do it. Do it. What's the first one we need to get rid of for obvious reasons? Why are we getting rid of that one? Well, there's no commas, but what is the more glaringly horrible thing that they did not do? Boom, boom, boom. Right? Okay, so that one's out. Okay, so now this one's a little more complicated. I see that there's a capital letter for the proper noun October, but one of the commas is in the wrong area. No. This one's incorrect. October 22nd, comma, 2016. Is that what you guys had?
Yeah.
Oh, why'd you do that? All right. Let me slide up a little bit. We'll do the last one. You ready? It says, explain what the underlying... Oh, we were just talking about this morning. Look, these are called idioms. What does this mean? We're gonna be jumping into this at some point in the school year, Josh. Right, Saucy? Ready? The man who is painting the community center asked me to lend him a hand. Now I wonder, Josh, does the dude want him to lop off his hand and hand it to him and say, "Here's my hand, enjoy, give it back to me when you're done"?
No.
Is that what's happening there?
No.
That would be the literal meaning, right? The literal meaning. This is figurative, which means it has, it has a different meaning. Lend him a hand. What does lend him a hand mean? Hey, man, could you lend me a hand here? What does that mean?
To help someone.
To help someone. It means to help someone. Okay? Are we good? All right, that is the DLR for week 10, day 1 to Darrow.